I honestly don't think you guys are ready for this. I don't think you're ready for this. We're gonna slander some code editors. I didn't quite get the last one. I'm gonna have to like re-look at this one. It's saying that Emacs users don't know what a woman is. Wait, is woman for manual entry? I don't get it. Do I not get this one? So woman's for manual entry? I don't use Emacs. Skill issue? I don't get it at all. Man pages? I know about man pages. Manual pages? I've heard about manual pages. Oh, no match for you and a woman. I don't. This is not even a good joke. This is a good joke though. The amount of times I've seen somebody when I'm like, hey man, how many times does this appear in some downloaded JSON or something like that? And someone's like, oh, how many times does it appear in, let's pretend it's like let's see, do I got anything in here? Do I got any JSON in here? I don't. npm init. All right, there we go. They're like, how many times does it appear? Hold on. What are we looking for? I'm just like, yo, dog. That's a yikes. Do I have VS Code? Yeah, I have VS Code because I tried it for a week straight. I did VS Code for a week straight just like a couple months ago. I understand dude, I understand the difference between VS Code and Visual Studio. I'm just saying the fact that people will open up an editor to search inside of a file, crazy, okay? That's the crazy thing, okay? That's what this is. Like to edit a config file and you use that is crazy. Crazy. I did all my graphics programming in Visual Studio. Express. It was Express, so it was faster. And this is much, I think IntelliJ, waiting for IntelliJ indexing. This is IntelliJ indexing, okay? The amount of time I've spent waiting for IntelliJ to index, only for you to reinstall node modules and then re-wait for IntelliJ indexing. Do you really use Vim? This is like the greatest skill issue I've ever seen in my lifetime. What do you mean? It's really, really simple, okay? It's command, motion, command. Then you can also have count before the command and count before the motion. And if you do a count before the motion, it could execute the command again. So like, okay, hold on, I said that wrong. So if you do, it's command to like do DD. But then if you do number command, it still does that. But you can also do command number command. But if you do command number motion, then it applies the previous command. It's like that simple. Like, here's a good example. Let's just say you want to highlight this paragraph. You do V for visual, your command. Then you do around paragraph. See? It's like that easy. You can do like DD to delete, or you can do like D2D to delete 2, or you can do D1J to delete 2. Like, it's that easy. It's that simple. It's that easy. Say you want to yank it. You can yap, you can dap, you can undo, you can redo. You can cut and start typing. You can delete. You're not typing. How do you guys not know this? You can VI squirrely brace to highlight within the squirrely brace. You can oh my goodness. VA squirrely brace to highlight that plus the squirrely brace, then hit it with the shift V to go into visual line mode. Now you have the whole thing, and then you can yank it. I could have done something different. I could have done, let's see, GV. I could have done a D. Notice that what I did is I did GV to actually highlight my previous highlight in case I wanted to do something different. GV stands for previous highlight. How do you guys not know these things? They're like super simple and straightforward, okay? I goes into insert mode at the current cursor. A goes forward one. Capital I goes to the beginning. Capital A goes to the end. Skill issues. Why you guys have so many skill issues? Okay, you can shift and you can G question mark to do a little rot 13. Like, have you guys ever needed to do a rot 13? Well, there you go. You just rot 13'd, okay? Sometimes you want to do a little rot 13. Sometimes you just want to rotate some characters. I just rotated some quick characters. You know what I mean? Just a little quick character rotation. Not a big deal. Whatever. You wouldn't understand. You wouldn't understand. You probably even have a girlfriend. Ridiculous. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Real talk, press 1 in the chat if you paid for Sublime. 1 in the chat if you paid for Sublime. Type 69 in the chat if you saw that box pop up 1 million times. 69 in the chat if you saw that box pop up 1 million times. Ooh, exposed. Oh, the exposure is so painful. Isn't it if you'd use it on Windows, you'd get the Windows sound too? So if you're listening to music, it'd be just like, and it just like blow your ears out. Just the worst. Gedit users, Notepad++ users. Twitch has really relaxed their policy on nudity recently, okay? This is artistic sausages, okay? This is artistic sausages right now. Fib users wait on learning for Fib. Was that me? Was that just me? I have a really good idea for a short. Chillin', bro. Visual Studio is actually a good IDE. He uses Visual or VS Code. Screw Atom. Dude, I still remember using Atom, and I'm like, oh man, they're saying they're the first hackable editor. Meanwhile, Vim has been around forever. But I was like, okay, I would love to learn how to program using JavaScript. Okay, this was during my JavaScript maximal days, okay, right when it came out. Okay, just don't blame me. Okay, I didn't know what I was doing. I was still young. I had too much hope, all right? And I open up Atom, and I look at my first plugin, and it was CoffeeScript. And I was like, oh, what are the chances I saw CoffeeScript? Haven't seen that in a decade. That's funny. I close down that one and I go to the next one. CoffeeScript again? What are the chances? That can't be right. I go look at some official documentation. CoffeeScript. What? Adam went with CoffeeScript. What? That's like getting a Yahoo mailing address today. Yahoo email today. You know when someone hands you their contact and it's Yahoo Mail and you're just like, ain't no way, man. What are you doing? You got a Hotmail too? You want to hand me your Hotmail right afterwards? Buddy, so lame. It's just so lame. I feel like JetBrains IDE, it should have been the loading one. Coding without autocomplete be like this. Is it? I'm pretty sure most of y'all could not code without autocomplete. I'm like 95% sure that everybody in this chat coding without autocomplete would look like this. Why don't come autocomplete? You know for a fact that's you. Don't lie. It's okay. Hey, you don't have to be hurt by that. Just be seen, okay? This was good. I like this. Well done. Well done. Verbox, that was good. I'm already subscribed to you. That was fantastic. Where's that thumbs up? Where are you? That was beautiful. That was absolutely beautiful, by the way. Smash that like button, people. Smash it. Look at YouTube chat. Look at YouTube chat. Just look at you guys. Just like you're like slow, you're unathletic. What's going on over there? What are you guys even doing over there? Okay, look at over here. Things are happening. Okay? Places to be. Crack the smoke going on over here, okay? All that's happened since I've said that is the word no, and you've abandoned us. They're doing well, actually. Oh my goodness, it's just too funny. Oh my goodness, that was such a great video. Thank you, Verbox. I loved that video, by the way. Loved that video so dang much. The name is the Primogen.